What's up, fam? It's your girl Sweet Pea back with another video. Look, y'all did not tell me white hair does not look good on everybody. Look, I've been seeing a couple of videos where people have been trying to turn their blonde wigs white. So I'm like, okay, cool. I'm going to be banging. I'm going to do my white wig, put on some white lipstick, do a little makeup, throw on something white like I'm walking the runway, baby. White does not look good on everybody. You know, not even with this chocolate skin, right? So this is what I wanted to look like. This is what I came out looking like. Yeah, as you can see, I looked like a superhero, but only I was not cute. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to put some color on it. So this came out good, I think. I don't know. I was just doing all kind of stuff because I got like all this hair dye. Every time I'm going to the beauty supply, I'm grabbing dye. So this is what I did. And I put a few pin curls in it. So this is what she looking like. So we're going to do an install on her to see how the color came out and how these pin curls came out, because I'm curious. So my ball cap is already done. So I'm going to just cut off the excess ball cap, and I'm going to go ahead and clean my edges. Even though I'm not using glue for this install, I am just going to be using the gel. I'm still going to clean my edges just to keep up the routine. And then I'm going to put on my makeup to get as close as to my skin color as possible. What's up, y'all? I'm back. Look, I'm finna take out these curls. This thing is hurting my head. That's how you know it's like way too tight. Because my ears is burning. They hurting. But I think they gonna be cute, y'all. Y'all see I put my little stuff on my nose. I don't be wanting to put on a lot of makeup. Here we go.